Students, today we will start lesson 2 from your maths book, that is Roman numerals. So you must have learned the Roman numerals in your 4th standard, and I think you have learned till 50. So now we will move further. So students, as you know, we usually use the numerals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to write our numbers. So these numerals are often called the Hindu-Arabic numerals. So these numerals that we use in our daily life, these are the Hindu-Arabic numerals. But the Romans, they used a different system. They had the different system of writing the numbers. They used 7 letters from the alphabet. You know the alphabets A, B, C, D, E. So from those alphabets, they have 7 letters which they use for writing the numbers, and they don't have, and they have no numeral for 0. So these are the 7 letters which they use to write the Roman numerals, like I, V, X, L, C, D and N. Now what does it stand for? Now I stands for number 1, V stands for number 5, X stands for number 10, L stands for 50, C stands for 100, D stands for 500 and N stands for 1000. So these are the 7 letters used by the Romans to denote their number system. Now in this class we will learn only up to the counting 100. Only up to how to write till 100. So these are the 5 letters we will use to write till 100. So the Romans, they had different rules for writing the numbers using these letters. They had different rules. Now I will tell you one by one the rules, and we will form the numbers according to them. Now look at the first rule. They say the letters 1, X and C can be repeated maximum up to 3 times. So the letter I, X and C can be repeated, and they can be repeated maximum up to 3 times. So this if I write I 1 times, it means 1, and if I repeat it 2 times, it becomes 2, and if I repeat this 3 times, it becomes 3. Now I cannot repeat this more than 3 times. I cannot write 4 like this. That will be wrong. So I said I can be repeated, X can be repeated. Now X stands for 10. If I repeat this for 2 times, it becomes 20. And if I repeat this for 3 times, it becomes 30. And the next letter that can be repeated is C. So C stands for 100. If I repeat C twice, it becomes 200. And if it repeated 3 times, it becomes 300. So the letters I, X and C can be repeated. The rest of the letters V and L, we cannot repeat them. Now the second rule says, if I cannot repeat the symbols more than 3 times, then how I will form 4. Now come to the next rule, which says a smaller numeral written to the left of a numeral of greater value is always subtracted from the greater numeral. So what it means is, suppose you have a numeral V, which is 5, which is of greater value, and if I write a numeral of smaller value to the left of it, uske piche if I write this 1 at the back of V, it gets subtracted. So this will become 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1, it will become 4. So, and the rule says that I can be subtracted from V and X. Means I can come at the back of V and X. If I write I at the back of V, it becomes 4. And if I write I at the back of 10, it becomes 9. 10 minus 1 is 9, and 5 minus 1 is 4. So letters I can be subtracted from V and X. So at the back of V, if I write 1, it becomes 4, and at the back of I, if I write 1, it becomes 9. And they say the x can be subtracted from L and C. So what it means is, if I write at the back of L, I write x to the left of L. If I write x, means this L is a symbol of 50. So 50 minus 10 becomes 40, and it can be written at the back of C also. So 100 minus 10 becomes 90. So this is how we write 40, 94 and 9. So this rule is that when you write a smaller numeral to the left of a numeral of greater value, it gets subtracted. Now let us place this in this form. So in order to form 4, I will write 5 to the left of 5, 1. So this becomes 4. To the left of 10, if I write 1, it becomes 9. To the left of 50, if I write x, so 50 minus 10 becomes 40, and 100 minus 10 becomes 90. So bigger numeral at the back, if you write smaller numeral, it gets subtracted. Now, as I told you that only I, X and C can be repeated, and these are the only numerals which can be written at the back of any number or can get subtracted. Now how to form 6, 7, 8. So we come to the next rule, which says a smaller numeral written to the right of numeral of greater value is always added to the greater numeral. Like when I wrote a smaller numeral at the back of a bigger numeral, it gets subtracted. But if I write a smaller numeral in the front, to the right of the bigger numeral, it gets added. 5 plus 1, 6. So if you write at the back smaller number at the back of bigger number, it gets subtracted. But if you write smaller numeral in front of the bigger numeral, it gets added. So this is how I will write 6. So 5 plus 1, 6. 5 plus 1 plus 1, 7. 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 8. And this again, like how to form 60. So this is 50. So if I write x to the left of it, it gets subtracted, it becomes 40. But if I add in front of it, it gets added. So 50 plus 10, 60. 50 plus 10 plus 10 becomes 70, and 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 becomes 80. So this is how you form the numbers. If you learn these numbers, you can form any number. Okay, now class, we will start with the exercise 2A from your book. Exercise 2A. Now, in exercise 2A, first question is, they have given you some numbers. There are 3 parts. They have given you some numbers in Roman numbers, and they are asking you to write these in Hindu Arabic numbers. So just now I have told you how to form the Hindu Arabic numbers, and Hindu Arabic numbers, how to convert them into Roman number. So what is the first Roman number? This is 10 and this is 5. So 10 plus 5 is 15. And then next 10 plus this 5 and 1 becomes 6. So 10 and 16. So 10 and 10, 20, and this is 4. At the back of V you have 1, so this is 4. So this total is 24. And now 10, 10, 10, 30, and this is 9. So this becomes 39. X written to the back of L, means 50 minus 10. XL is the symbol of 40. Now this is 40 and this is 6. So this is 46. So this is how you write the Roman numbers in Hindu-Arabic numerals. Now the second question. In the second question they have given you the Hindu-Arabic numbers and they are asking you to convert them into Roman numbers. So let us convert them. Now how do you write 14? 14 means 10 plus 4. So what is the symbol of 10? It's this. 10 is X and 4 we write like this. So this is 14. And then how do you write 17? 17 we write as 10 plus 7 is 17. So 10 we write as X and 7 we write as 5, 6, 7. Now 26. So 20 plus 6 is 26. So 20 we write 2X and 6 we write like this. So 26. Now 39. So 39 means 30 plus 9. So how do you write 30? 30 we write 3X becomes 30 and 9 is this 39. Now 28. So 28 means 20 plus 8. So how do you write 20? 20 I write like this. And how do you write 8? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 34. So 34 is 30 plus 4. So 30 is 3. X is 30 and 4 we write like this. So this becomes 34. Now let me take some more examples from the second question itself. So the C part they are asking you 75, then 77, 78, 80, I can take 93 and I can take 99. So how do you form 75? So it's 70 plus 5. And how do you write 70? 50, 60, 70. This is how you write 70. And how do you write 5? This is how you write 5. Now 77. So 70 plus 7. How do you write 70? 50, 60, 70. And how do you write 7? 5, 6, 7. So this is how you write 77. Now 78. So 70 plus 8. So how do you write 70 again? 50, 60, 70. This is 70 and 8 is 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is how you write 8 and this is how you write 70. Now 80. How do you write 80? 50, 60, 70 and 80. So this is how we write 80. Now 93. 93 means 90 plus 3. And how do you write 90? After 80, I cannot write X 4 times to make it 90. I cannot repeat X 4 times. So what is the symbol for 90? It's 100 minus 10. So this XC is a symbol for 90. So 90 plus 3. 3 is like this. So this becomes 93 and 99. So 90 plus 9. How do you form 90? 90 is 100 minus 10. So 100 minus 10, 90 and 9 is 10 minus 1. This is how we write 9 and this is how we write 90. So the whole becomes 99. So some I have done and the rest you will practice. Now I will come to the third question. In the third question, they have given you the numbers like this and they are asking you to put the symbol of greater than or lesser than. So let me write more parts. So some parts I will do and some you can practice. So I have put the symbol of greater and lesser. So all these are in Roman numbers. So what I can do is, to make my work easy, I can convert them into Hindu Arabic numbers. So XL means this is 40 and this is 39. So which is bigger? 40 is bigger. So you have to put a sign like this. Now come to this. 50 plus 10 is 60 and this is 50 minus 10 at the back. If the smaller number is at the back, I subtract them. So this is 50 minus 10 and this is 50 plus 10. So this is 60 and this is 40. So which is bigger? 60 is bigger. Now here you have 42. This XL means 40 and 2 and this is 61 and 61 is bigger. So this is 49 and this is 59. XL means 40 and this is 49 and this is 59. So 59 is bigger and this is 50 plus 10 plus 10 means 70 and this is 5. So this is 75 and this is 69. So this is 60 and this is 9. So 75 is bigger. So I put a sign like this. So this is how you do the third question. Now let's come to the fourth question, which is the same. You have to put the sign of greater, lesser, or you can put the sign of equal to also. So here you are given some sums. You have to solve them and then you have to get the answer. Like these three parts I will do. So this is Roman number, so I'll convert this into Hindu Arabic number. So this is 50, 60, 70 and 5. So this is 75 and here also you have 75. So it means both sides are equal. Now 42 plus 16. So I have to add both the numbers and you will get 58 and here it is written 48. So this is 48. So which is bigger? 58 is bigger. Now I have to subtract 120 minus 45. So when you subtract you get 75 and here this number is 85. So which is bigger? 85 is bigger. So you write sign like this. So this is bigger. So sign like this. Okay, so this was your fourth question. Now come to the fifth question. Now they are asking you, they have given you some numbers in Romans and they are asking you to put them in ascending order. They are asking you to put these numbers in ascending order. So now what is ascending order? So in ascending order we arrange the numbers starting from the smallest, like you climb the stairs. First you climb the stairs like this, smaller, bigger and bigger, smaller to bigger. So I'll start from the smallest. I have to write this in ascending order. So what I can do is I can convert this number into Hindu Arabic numbers. 60, this is 40, this is 30, this is 69, this is 70, 50, 60, 70 and this is 37. So when I arrange them in ascending order, which is the smallest number, so 30 is the smallest number. So I'll write 30 first because the question is given in Roman numbers, so you have to give the answer also in Roman numbers. So 30 comes first, then comes 37, then comes 40, this number, second number, third number, and then you have 60, 60 and then 69 and then 70. So this is how you write in the ascending order: 30, 37, 40, 60, 69 and 70. Now I come to the sixth question. The sixth question says to write in descending order. Now what is descending order? It's the opposite of the ascending order, means you start from the largest number. It is like coming down from the stairs. So I have to start from the biggest number, and the numbers given are, again they are given in Roman numbers. Okay, to make work easy for me, what I can do is I can convert them into first Hindu Arabic numbers. So this is 21, this is 15, this is 14, this is 59, this is 59, this is 61, this is 29, and this is 99. So now I have to arrange them in descending order. So I'll start from the biggest number. So 99 is the biggest number. So I'll write the symbol for 99, and then comes 61, then is 59, and then you have 29, and then comes 21, and at the last comes 15. So 21, and at the last is 20, and at the last is 15. So this is how we write in the descending order. Now I come to the last question, that is 7th question, and they're asking you to write the answer in Roman numbers. So they're asking you to write their numbers. They have given you some sums to solve. You have to solve them, and the answer you have to write in Roman numbers. So I'll do some of them. I'll do the H part, XLV divided by 3. Okay, now 5 8 is what? 5 8 is 40. But you are supposed to write the answer in Romans. So you write in Romans 40. Now 98, it's divided by 2. If you don't know the answer, you can divide it first. 2 4s are 8 and 2 9s are 18. So the answer is 49. So how you will write 49? 40 and 9. So 70 plus 8 becomes 78. Now how you will write 78? 50, 60, 70 and 8. Now this is V multiplied by 10. So means 5 multiplied by 10. That is 50. So how you write 50? Like this. Now this is 62 minus 11. Now what do you get? Subtracting 62 minus 11, you get 51. So I have to write the answer in Roman. So this is 51. So this is 55 plus 45. So what you will get? You will get 100. And how do you write 100? It's C. Okay. Now this is XLV divided by 3. Now XLV means this is 45 divided by 3. So divide 48 by 3. 45. 45 for 3 1s are 3. 3 5s are 15. So your answer is 15. So this you will get 15 answer, but I have to write the answer in Romans. So this is how you write the answer. Hope you have understood this chapter. Best of luck.